Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can use AI for personal finance management and why it's a game changer for beginners. One of the most popular AI tools for personal finance is Clio AI. Clio uses artificial intelligence to help you manage your money, track your spending, and even save for goals. The first step is connecting your bank account to Clio, which allows the AI to analyze your spending habits. Clio helps you by giving you insights into where your money is going. For example, it can show you how much you spend on subscriptions, eating out, or other categories. The next feature is budgeting, where Clio automatically sets up budgets for you based on your spending patterns, helping you stay on track. Clio also provides savings advice and can even suggest ways to cut back on unnecessary expenses. With AI powered reports, you can see how your finances are evolving, and Clio can recommend how to improve your savings and investments. Lastly, if you ever have a question or need help with your finances, Clio acts like a virtual financial assistant, ready to answer queries with personalized tips. That's it for today's guide on using AI for personal finance management. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.